Good morning, buenos dias, bonjour. I have a special unboxing to do for you guys, so I'm taking the time to do this video specifically for this. Real soon, I'll be doing my ultimate unboxing from all the things that I got from Black Friday because they are finally in. But today, we got a special one on the block. Okay, so first, I really tried to support Black businesses this Black Friday, and I hope you all got a chance to as well. Unfortunately, I didn't get to support too many, but what I did do is I supported SheBuildingHer. SheBuildingHer is a finance literacy company. Star, the founder, she is super sweet and she really wants to help her people. I am really big about money, about saving, spending, and investing, and her company is all about trying to give us the tools to properly save, properly spend, properly invest, and really make money for the future. So she has like a whole bunch of different products to buy, and I did buy a lot of them, but one that did come in, I'm about to unbox for you guys right now. So let's get to it. Okay, so here we go. So I actually purchased her Bay bundle, which is super cool because y'all know I got a Bay now, so yes. But anyways, so this should be for him and I, but I'm about to just see what's up in this thing. So, all right. So this one is mine. Oh, it's so soft. Oh my gosh. So, okay, so what we have here is her crop top hoodie. First of all, I love crop tops, as you can see. But okay, so this says, investing, collecting assets, building wealth, all 2020, okay? Like, is that not the truest, realest statement? Like, if you guys are about to continue wasting time, spending money on things that's not gonna make you money, that's on you. But 2020 is definitely about to be my year, and all her stuff, everything she say, her products, like, it's just super motivating and it's really helping me get in lines with having my ideal finances. So this is something that I'm really about to be rocking like all the time, and it's a crop top. Like, that's right up my alley, like seriously. So yes, investing, collecting assets, building wealth, all 2020. Yes, thank you so much, SheBuildingHer, for being such a motivational speaker. Like, you are really helping me get my things in line. I have to support you this Black Friday because you really be dropping jewels, and I really appreciate it. I cannot wait to get my dang ultimate finance planner. But yes, I'm about to be rocking this. So shout out to Star, founder of SheBuildingHer. Thank you so much again. I love it. Oh my gosh, it's so soft and it's so warm. Like, yes. Yes.
Fresh, I'm hood. I look good. I look like that.
Hey. Thank you.